High heels, pain, and type 2 diabetes. Hi, my name is Melissa. I'm a registered nurse and a diabetes health coach. What I'd like to share with you today is some information on why you get pain when you're wearing high heels and you're diabetic. What happens is that you put on a pair of shoes in the morning and your feet are probably, pretty normal, should we say, and you go about walking and all of a sudden maybe you get some cramps, some tingling, some numbness, maybe your feet are starting to swell. This is because of the circulation issues that are known in type 2 diabetics. What happens is that your bloodstream is trying to circulate through all areas of the body, and in type 2 diabetes, because of the high sugar and the high insulin levels, there's some resistance there. So what can happen is that if you're wearing a high heel, you could have some fluid that's not coming back, distributing back up to the legs and back up to the heart, and then there's some swelling in that area. So here's some tips that you can follow. First, if you're going to wear the high heels, pick some periods of the day when you're going to take the heels off and just stretch your feet out a little bit. Just say every hour you're going to slip off your shoe and stretch your foot out. Another thing you can do is when you're sitting, you can make sure that your legs are elevated up, that your feet are elevated up, that area of your body is just not feeling the pressure on the ground. Like when you're walking, there's like a certain amount of pressure there. When you're sitting, try and have your legs elevated up so you're relieving some of that pressure. Another thing you want to do is when you go ahead and buy shoes, try and buy them at night, because at night your feet are a little more swollen and it's just easier for you to have a good gauge on the size that your foot is going to be after you're in those heels for a little bit. Another thing would be to make sure that you don't have any blisters. Try and wear some stockings or some socks under the high heels so that there's at least some cushion between your shoe and your skin. And another important tip would be to buy leather or canvas, something that is breathable. I don't know if they make canvas high heels. I know they make canvas sneakers, so maybe they do make canvas high heels. But with the plastic, what's going to happen is it's not going to expand. It's not going to breathe like the leather would breathe, like the canvas would breathe. So you want to try and make sure that it says made with leather. Ugh. So I hope these tips helped you. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, you can share this video and like it. I'd really appreciate it. I'll be back with a lot more. Thank you.